If you're getting ready to buy a home in Washington State, there's something I want to tell you about that most buyers have never heard of. And once you know about it, you're going to want one. It's called a buyer's pass, and it completely changes how you present yourself as a pre-approved buyer. Here's how it usually works. You get pre-approved, your lender emails you a PDF letter, and then you're at an open house. And the listing agent asked if you are pre-approved, and you're digging through your emails trying to find the attachment, or you'll say, yes, my lender will send it over. This puts you in a better position. When you get pre-approved with me, you'll receive a buyer's pass, which is a digital credential that will live right inside your Apple or Google Wallet. And you can, when you're visiting a open house and the listing agent asks if you're pre-approved, you just open your wallet and let them scan your QR code. And in seconds, they're going to receive confirmation that you are pre-approved, a personal introduction from me, as well as your buyer's agent's contact information as well. So there's no fumbling or I'll have my lender send it over later, just a clean professional handoff that tells everyone in the room that you mean business. Getting your buyer's pass starts with a conversation, or what I call a discovery call. We hop on Zoom for about 30 minutes and talk through your goals and timeline, figure out which loan programs fits your situation, and map out exactly what it's going to take to get you to the closing table. From there, we move into the pre-approval process and take it a step further and have you pre-underwritten. And so that really makes your offer even more solid. It's better for you. You can buy with confidence, and the seller knows they can accept your offer. And once this is all complete, your buyer's pass is ready for you to add to your wallet. If you're thinking about buying a home in Washington State, whether it's next month or next year, I'm happy to talk with you. So the link to reach me is below in the video, and you can also contact me about our buyer's pass. I'm Rhonda Porter. I've been helping people over 25 years buy homes and refinance. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.